Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about the future of autonomous weapons and give you an example of how they might be used. Part 1. What are autonomous weapons? Autonomous weapons are systems that can select and engage targets without human intervention. They use artificial intelligence to make decisions and can operate in complex environments. Part 2. The future of autonomous weapons. The development of autonomous weapons is a controversial topic. Some people believe that they could reduce casualties in conflicts by making more precise decisions. Others argue that they could be used unethically and pose a threat to international security. Part 3. An example of autonomous weapons. One example of how autonomous weapons might be used in the future is in border control. Autonomous drones could patrol borders and use facial recognition technology to identify people trying to cross illegally. They could then alert authorities or take action to prevent illegal crossings. Part 4. The benefits of autonomous weapons. One potential advantage is their ability to reduce casualties on the battlefield. Autonomous weapons can quickly and accurately identify targets and engage them without putting human soldiers in harm's way. Additionally, these weapons can operate around the clock, providing continuous surveillance and response capabilities. Part 5. Concerns about autonomous weapons. However, there are also concerns about the development and use of autonomous weapons. The most significant concern is the lack of human control, which could result in unintended consequences or even a malfunction that could cause harm to civilians. For example, the recent updated directive on autonomous weapons by the Defense Department emphasizes the need for responsible development and use of these technologies to prevent accidents, such as drones targeting the wrong people. Part 6. Arms race. Another concern is the potential for autonomous weapons to spark an arms race, as nations compete to develop the most advanced technology. This could lead to an increased risk of conflict, as nations seek to gain an advantage over each other. Conclusion. The development and use of autonomous weapons are a controversial and rapidly developing field. While there are potential benefits, such as reducing casualties on the battlefield, there are also significant concerns about the lack of human control and the potential for unintended consequences. As we move forward, it is essential to ensure the responsible development and use of these technologies to prevent harm to civilians and avoid an arms race. What do you think about the future of autonomous weapons? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching.